We're now going to move on to the float data types. So that completes our coverage of the integer data types. And we're going to create a simple series of 3 values. The first 2 are known, the last 2 is missing. I'm going to assign it to S float. So again, we can use the dtype or dtypes attribute. They both work the same. The reason dtypes is here is because data frames have a dtypes parameter, like many data types as it for all the columns. A series just has a single data type, so they have these 2 overlapping attributes. Sort of unfortunate, maybe it'd be better if there was just one, but both are available. So by default, it is a 64-bit float, and if we try to convert this to a 32-bit float, so there's 32 and 16-bit floats, you're going to see something interesting here. So the first value stays the same. The second value has a change in its last significant digit. So this 9 over here is now replaced by 7, 1. And this is because the precision of floats is limited. So you think, oh, well, it should be able to contain this number. It's only at 1,234. But all of the numbers matter. And the way floats are stored on your machine, there is a limited number of precision. You can find this out with the finfo numpy function. So if we do this, the resolution gives you the number of precision, so the number of digits that it's able to keep reliably without any loss. So it can keep up to 15 significant digits. That's 64 bits, but we changed it to a 32-bit float. So it's down to just 6 digits of precision. And if we go down here and change it to a float 16, we'll see that this is down to just 3 digits of precision. So you can see this, it's quite a bit different over here actually. When you're down to a 16-bit float. The first value has changed as well. You can see here it changes in its 4th number over here. So it just doesn't have enough available memory to precisely store this value. So this is the nearest number that it can store it to, given its precision as a 16-bit float. All right, that's a little bit more on float data types. These are the NumPy float data types. We're going to see there actually are a pandas float data type, just like there's a pandas integer data type.